Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to my home. But before you come in, I need you to take those crusty, dusty shoes off. Immediately when you walk into my studio home, you'll see my coat rack. Those coats are commonly not there in the summer. I bring them to my parents' house. And now you'll see my everyday grab and go sneakers, like my gym sneakers, and yeah, they're mainly just gym sneakers, and my Uggs. Also, you'll see this gray cubby, but these are full of my lash extensions when I do have lash clients. And if you walk straight ahead, you'll see my walk-in closet, and on the left is going to be my bathroom. If you know me, you know I love detail. Now that's strip marble. I tend to bring out some marble within my bathroom. It's such a cute bathroom. I'm very much so in love with this vanity, you guys. It is so beautiful. The vanity mirror and everything. You'll notice my marble toothbrush holder, my C towel, and my European toilet, which is pretty cool. You have to flush from the top. And also right on the right, you'll see my bath towel, my bathrobe, shower cap, bonnet, the regular degular, as well as my scale. Very deep bathtub as well. I love my bathtub. And I'll also be zooming in, and you'll kind of just see a little bit more details of marble. Like I said, I love marble, and I paid attention to that, and I kind of try to find little ways to bring that out throughout my apartment. And also my sink is so deep. I love it. I love deep sinks. And yeah, there I go. I heard you was looking for me. Now we're walking over to my walk-in closet. You guys, fair warning, it's a disaster. The black storage unit is full of makeup, you guys. I really had to condense when I moved out. And my closet is real. This is realistic. It's never really clean. Like, it's always a hot mess. So yeah, and it's actually really big. The video kind of does no justice for it. But I'm walking over to my laundry room right now. I have a full-size washer and dryer inside of my unit. That is so clutch. It comes in handy. And an ironing board, the lash bed that I fold up when I have lash clients is in there, as well as my broom and Swiffer. So I kind of just store all those extra things in there just to keep them out the way. Alright, so now you guys will see exactly where the magic happens, like sleep, TV watching, and cooking and stuff like that. So keep in mind, this is a 532 square footage studio. So yeah. So we'll start at my storage cabinet. Right over here is where I keep like my extra skincare on the top shelf, and then I just have like toilet paper as well as paper towels. And I drink so much water, it's disturbing. Deer Park, go ahead and send me an email. Let's work. But yeah, so this is just kind of like a cabinet that I keep a lot of stuff in, and in the bottom drawers I just kind of throw things in there. A lot of these this has a lot of candles. Actually, I have a lot of candles in there, and then again, same energy, just a lot of stuff. I just kind of throw things in there that I don't care about. And I'm just kind of pointing out that I am African and I'm Cameroonian, so this is just kind of like a cutout of Cameroon. I was born in Douala, so of course I'm going to include that in my apartment, which I love. And I have an electric stove that I was not used to prior to living here. I'm used to gas stoves, but electric stoves are cool too, I suppose. A teapot. I have so much water in there because, again, I drink a lot of tea as well, and it's excessive. This is my kitchen knife set that I believe I purchased from Amazon. I'm not sure. But I also store my pots and pans right underneath here. Shouts to Mom Deuce. These are like the best quality pots and pans ever. And underneath my sink, I keep my cleaning supplies, and of course the plastic bags inside the plastic bags. You're not black if you don't do it. I used to keep all the snacks, but you know, I'm trying to change my life a little bit. Plantain chips, I just cannot get rid of. It's the African girl in me, so it is what it is. So in here, I keep like my bowls, my plates, teacups. This is a tea container that I keep as well. My stemmed and non-stemmed wine glasses. So this is not MTV Cribs, but this is Cynthia's Cribs, and I know y'all want to see what I keep in my fridge, my freezer, all that, right? No? You don't really care? Let's go. Ah, I knew you wanted to see what I kept in my fridge. Alright. So in my freezer I have my basics. I live alone, so a lot of my food is like portioned out. Shrimp, salmon, that good stuff. I love ice, so this is my bougie ice, Deer Park water. Email me. Then I also have my bottles, my custom bottles. This is the XO Hennessy, and then right here it's engraved, and it says Henny Time, Henny Place, and Hennywhere. And then I also have an engraved bottle of VSOP Hennessy, and it just says Cynthia's Private Stash. I've been gifted these bottles, you guys, so I'm not just out here buying Hennessy bottles and engraving them. Now you've seen my freezer. Before we get into my fridge, just know I'm not an alcoholic, and this is all for my guests that I don't even allow in my house. So my fridge is pretty healthy. I drink a lot of water, so I have a lot of water in here, as well as vegetables and fruits and green juices that I make as well. So yeah, I just kind of keep it healthy. And I've also been gifted like champagne bottles and wine bottles, and they're still here. So now we're wrapped up with the kitchen, and we're gonna slide on over to my bedroom. So I would consider this my nightstand, and on my nightstand I like to keep my AirPods, my Apple Watch, the book that I'm currently reading. I kind of read a few books, but I'm also reading Becoming by Michelle Obama. It's a great book so far. And I also have my manifestation list. I like to keep it in sight so I could see it throughout the day, in the morning, read it, cross things off of it. But yes, it's a great idea to actually write them down and frame them, so you actually keep that in mind, you guys, your goals. And this is my bed. It's a queen size bed. On there is my laptop and the remote controls, as well as my blankets. If you know me, I love blankets so much. My mom gifted me one for my birthday, and they misspelled my middle name, and she was so heated. But this blanket is so soft, I could literally care less. But yeah, this is my bed, and I'm also going to show you guys my full-size mirror. It's very important to have a full-size mirror in your home because you need to know exactly what you look like before you step out. And also my TV stand is just right over there. You'll notice I just like to keep a lot of positive things around, especially in my home. Like that book, The Daily Teachings, it teaches you about the law of attraction. And this is kind of like a little dining area for me. You could kind of take a peek at my balcony. You guys, I kept my blinds down for safety purposes. This is social media, so I like to keep my safety under wraps. Like, I don't want you guys knowing exactly where I live. But this is an overall view of my apartment, my studio apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what else you want to see from me. But until then, I'll see you later. Wow, you guys, who would have thought this would have been the hardest video for me to film? I have a very silly personality, so it took a lot. And here are some bloopers. Alright, so, you guys ready? What does that mean? I think I popped my neck.
Get it together, bitch.
Alright, that I get from Whole Foods. And I portion them out. Okay? I portion them out and I freeze them. Okay, can we get it started? Okay, let's get started. When should I start? Oh, you're recording. Oh.